Hey friends, this is Jamie from Skyrock Projects, and today we're going to be building an app that I like to call the My Phone Can Talk app, which will be able to read something you type into your app and speak it out loud for you. Something just like this.
Whoa, Skyrock is the coolest.
Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and build it. Let's click on Create New App on Thunkable. My project is called My Phone Can Talk app. Create. And I'm going to drag and drop the text input component, which will allow you to type things onto your screen. I'm going to change the size for this. To 50%, and the width, I want it to fill the container. Great. Then I'm going to drag and drop a button. Here you see the buttons on top. If I want to move it to the bottom, I just drag and drop it here on the left. And this button, I'll have the text say, talk now. And we're going to drag and drop one more component, which is the text to speech. You can drag and drop onto your screen. If that doesn't work, then you can drag and drop this into the invisible components bar. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now let's go onto our blocks. We're going to click, when button 1 is clicked, do text to speech. We want it to speak, and it is going to read the text from our text input. So whatever the text ends up being in our text input, that is what it's going to speak when the button is clicked. Okay, you can just click Live Test and check it out.